guys, this is Maggie Osama from Online Learning School, and in this video I just want to tell you that I'll be starting a Cinema 4D basic training series on my YouTube channel here. So if you're interested to learn Cinema 4D and follow up, make sure to subscribe to Online Learning School YouTube channel and hit the ring button to get notified once a new tutorial gets released. No prior knowledge needed from you to start this basic training series. I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get up and running with Maxon Cinema 4D. For those of you who are not aware of Cinema 4D, Cinema 4D is a 3D modeling, animation, motion graphic, and rendering application developed by Maxon Company in Germany. It is capable of procedural and polygonal modeling, animating, lighting, texturing, rendering, and common features found in 3D modeling applications. You can either get the trial version from the official website, you will find the link in the description below. Or if you have any After Effects CC version, you can access Cinema 4D through Cinema 4D Lite version from within your After Effects CC version by doing the following steps. Create a Cinema 4D file within After Effects CC. To do so, select File, New, then select Maxon Cinema 4D file. Then specify a name and location of the file. And then finally, the Cinema 4D Lite version application opens. I'll be using Maxon Cinema 4D R20 version, the latest version which has been released in August 2018, but older versions are fine too. Okay, I'm really so excited to start this basic training series, and hope you are too. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.